Hello guys, in this video I will be telling you how to rank your YouTube videos, so watch till the end. First of all, go to Chrome Web Store, or you can go it by here, more tools and extensions. Click on the left and here it is. Now you can find vidIQ tool which can help you ranking your videos on the YouTube. Here I have already installed this extension and you can do the same. Here are many users of this extension, you can see. Okay, let us upload the video. After installing that extension, however, you will need to make an ID on that extension and have to log in first, and you can see it right section. It will show you some analytics and will help you in many ways. There are lots of tools. Let's upload the video first. Here I am uploading this one. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now I can change title, description, tags, everything, and this tool is going to help me and will show me some cool analytics that can help me. But before I make decision of writing a good title, I will have to search on YouTube as to what is trending and which tags are trending. Here it will show me some top search keywords, and you can see in the search volume and competition, and it is having huge search volume and moderate competition. I can copy the text right from that icon and paste it here, and this way I can do it for any specific video as well. Let me show you how you can do it. At first choose the best video. Okay, let first complete our title. Okay, you can copy it and paste in description too. If your title and description are having the same keywords, it is more likely that you are going to rank for them. Okay. So let's go to this video. Now you can see the analytics of this video as well on the right panel. Here are the tags. I can copy all of them with a single click and paste it in my own text. Here it is. You can increase the length of your description to make it more and more search friendly. And you can see for which tags that video was ranking. Okay. As your description is not that good, I mean not that big. However, the 2018 you can write there. Okay. Suppose that we are good to go. It's showing approx 45.6 of vidIQ score. Here you can choose some templates, add your own tags for your further foreseeable videos. I am leaving it as of now. Okay, you can search the specific keyword, most of things are good. There are some checklists too, like sharing on Twitter, on Google Plus, Yeah, I am leaving 15 August as a keyword which is most likely to be here. Okay. Choose the best thumbnail. Thumbnail is a very important part of your video. You can make a custom thumbnail too. There are some checklists. You can see if you share it on Twitter, Google Plus, and this will give you. I have not set up my Twitter account, so let's leave it for now. There are lots of checklists, cards, and screen of things. All of these things matter a lot. Okay, there are some settings that you can change, customize according to the video. For now, let's leave it, and we should publish it. And after publishing, this vidIQ score will rise to the extent it is ranking on the Google or say YouTube. For now, no tag is ranking because it's not uploaded yet. That's why. And remember that this 47.5 keyword SEO score will not go above 50 because our video is not published yet. However, you can use some emojis to make your title look pretty different from the other videos, and this is a very good sign. Let's publish it up. And now you can find your video, your studio. So open the channel, watching. Okay, let's go to greatest. Okay, the video is published now, but I need to see the analytics, so let's go to here. It's loading too much. Okay, this new one will be a little later, so let's get back to our old one. Skip it. So here it is. Supposedly we will be having no ranking as of now because no views have been gained. However, if you share the video on Twitter, Google Plus, Facebook, and all the mediums, WhatsApp, anywhere, and people watch it for a duration longer than 1 minute or 2, and this will give a sign that video is being watched by the people, and YouTube will rank it for some keywords which are new or which are having less density. So it is always recommended that you use some low search volume keyword too, because they are easily rankable, or say they are easy to rank, and if they rank, your higher density keywords will automatically be ranked in future, and this will give you huge views. So this was all for today's video. Take care and subscribe to Crunch.